How to use Slackbot. Want to automate reminders and workflows in Slack? Here's how to use Slackbot step by step. So Slackbot comes built in. Use commands and then hit on enter. And this command would be sent and listed on your reminders list. So Slackbot will notify you automatically. You can set custom replies. So for example, when someone types Wi-Fi password, Slackbot can auto-reply with saved info. Install bots from the Slack app directory or build your own with Slack's API. Bots can automate approvals, project updates, or integrate tools like Trello. Use Workflow Builder to connect Slackbot with actions. For example, auto-send a new welcome message when someone joins a channel. Always test bots in a private channel before rolling them out. Keep tokens secure and avoid spamming your workspace. Slackbot makes Slack smarter. Use it for reminders, facts, and automations.